The answer is no. Rental property is not protected from creditors in Texas, nor is ranch land, nor is vacant land, a farm, unless it's your homestead. And we've got another clip on homestead and asset protection in this series. But if it's just a rental house, if it's a ranch, if it's a farm that I use to make money, or I just enjoy going out to hang out on, that can be taken from me if I get sued. It's not protected under Texas law. What smart investors do in Texas is they create either a limited liability company or a limited partnership. The assets that you've got in a limited partnership or limited liability company cannot be taken from you if you get sued. The problem with real estate, you're subject to two threats with real estate. One is somebody gets hurt on the property and decides to sue you. If you have no protection, they can get that property, they can get everything else that you've got that's not protected under the law. They can get your savings account, stocks and bonds, lots and lots of stuff. If you have your property in an LLC or a limited partnership, they can't take that other property from you. Now, they may get the property where the victim was hurt at, but they can't get out of that entity and into other things that you may own. Conversely, if you have your property in a limited liability company or a limited partnership, and you hurt somebody just driving down the freeway, it doesn't have anything to do with the land or the property, it just is you in a car wreck. If you have your property in a limited partnership or a limited liability company, they can't take that from you either. You protected that from being seized. If you just own it in your name, they can take it. And there are plenty of lawyers that own lots of rental property, that own ranches, because they acquire them as part of their fee from suing the landowner, or to sue to get part of that property as a part of a judgment they may have against the landowner. So be smart, put your property, rental property, recreational property, farm, ranch, whatever, in an LLC or a limited partnership.